all need a vacation break, and summertime in Europe means vacation time. So this summer, we decided to visit the Blackforest region in southern west part of Germany. In this video, we explored Gutach Rodelbahn and Triberg waterfall region in Blackforest and collected some amazing memories. So let's directly dive into the video.
Hey guys, I hope you're doing fine. This is Sanket here and welcome back to another video. And today I'm in the Blackforest in the southern west part of Germany. So today's first stop is at Gutach Rodelbahn. And what is Rodelbahn? I'll show you in a few minutes. Before that, just look at the nature here. Now finally we are here. Rodelbahn this side, and there is a parking place. And that side there is Rodelbahn, you can see in the hills. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Some scream, na? Scream. Some scream loud. Scream करो ना बस. Scream. Some scream. हाँ? Scream.
Hey यार एक यूरो भाई भाई एक यूरो दे सर.
Now here at the base of Rodelbahn you can find this prototype of excavator where you have to put €1 coin here and you can get real-time controls. Let's have fun. So currently we are going upwards and then we'll come back with the Rodelbahn. And for that we have a long queue here. Here you can buy tickets. So firstly this will take you up and then you will come down with this side. So firstly we will go up and then we will come down with full speed. So it was really amazing experience. I would definitely recommend you to do this. The speed with which you come down, it's really thrilling. You have to slow your speed in this region, and at that middle region you are with the full speed. So definitely try this. I think I should fly my drone here. Very happy because got some amazing drone shots. There is Rodelbahn, you can see. We went up there and then we came down with Rodelbahn. It was amazing. And now we are heading toward the Trieberg. We are going to visit Triberg waterfall and we are going to do one hike, small hike. So let's see how it goes. We have got some berries. हो मला दे ना थोडे बघू इकडे एक नंबर
एकच
Now from Gutach, Rodelbahn, if you want to go to Triberg, you can take bus and here is the bus number 7150 and it will take 20 to 30 minutes to reach at Triberg and it's amazing. Definitely I'll keep you posted and see you soon.
All the roads in Blackforest region are through the dark green forest, and the road towards Triberg offers spectacular views.
So finally we are in Triberg, but firstly we are going to eat something because we are hungry right now, and then we'll be heading towards our next destination, which is Triberg waterfall. And also we are going to taste the Blackforest cake, which is a famous thing here, and it's also invented here in the Blackforest region. Triberg is also famous for the cuckoo clocks. You can find India's flag. This type of clocks. Now to reach at Triberg waterfall, you have to hike up hills from the bus station, and currently we are heading towards waterfall. Sir, Mitra, कसं वाटतंय मग तुम्ही?
I've enjoyed a lot. एक नंबर वाटतंय बघा कसं गार 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 वाटतंय ना डोकं असं ताडताड ठोकल्यावर कसं डोकं असं ताड 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 झालं.
Just look at the view of waterfall. So that was Triberg waterfall for you. It was amazing, and I'm definitely gonna come here in winters also, because in winter it's a different vibe here. So let's see. Hello. In Triberg you can find a lot of gift shops where you can buy souvenirs and cuckoo clocks like this. And now the last thing to do in Triberg is to eat Blackforest cake. So we are going to eat now.
Blackforest cake was really delicious. After eating cake, we went to our Airbnb and did a crazy party.
Party mode is on!
So thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon not to miss any of my future videos. Till then, take care.